Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get an editor in YouTube Simulator X. To begin, you will need to reach certain in-game milestones and accumulate enough currency. Editors are crucial for boosting your video quality and overall channel performance. We will cover the specific requirements, where to find and hire editors, and how to effectively manage them to maximize your YouTube empire's success. This guide will help you streamline your content creation process. Before you can hire an editor, you must meet a few key requirements. First, aim for at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Second, prepare to spend a substantial amount of in-game cash, often several $1,000s, for a basic editor. Your channel's overall level also plays a role in unlocking this feature. Make sure you have saved enough earnings to cover the initial hiring cost and ongoing salaries. Once you meet the requirements, the hiring process is straightforward. Open your in-game menu and look for a Hiring or Staff tab. Here, you will see a list of available editors, each with different skill levels and daily costs. Carefully review their stats to choose one that aligns with your channel's current needs and budget. After making your selection, confirm the hire to bring your new editor on board. With your new editor, your video quality will see an immediate boost. Editors automatically enhance your content, leading to more views and subscribers. Remember to manage their daily salary to maintain a healthy in-game economy. You can also upgrade your editor's skills over time, making them even more effective. Assigning them to specific video types can further optimize your channel's growth and overall success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.